In this video, let me show you how to use Android on your PC without using an emulator. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now this is a quite easy process. You can take the help of the phone link application that is already available on your Windows device. So on the bottom of the search bar, just search for phone link and make sure that you download this exact application on your Android device as well. From the Play Store, you should be able to find this application. So make sure you download it on your Android device and make sure you open it up on both of these devices. Now first it'll ask you if you want to do it for Android or iPhone. Simply select the Android option and you may again need to log into your Outlook account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to first of all create one and make sure that you log in. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be able to see a similar interface where a QR code is being displayed. You just need to scan this QR code using your phone's phone link application so that both of these devices can be easily connected. So using this exact process, you'll be able to connect both your PC as well as your Android device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.